Now we start exercise 1.4. Main question number 1. Sub question number 5. State the following rational number will be terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Question number 5. 29 upon 343. So 343 divided by 7. 7 4 ja 28. 7 9 ja 63. 7 7 7 1. 343 equal to 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Therefore 343 equal to 7 cube. Here we write 29 upon 7 cube. So denominator is not in form 2 raised to n 5 raised to m. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating. It cannot express in decimal form. Now we start question number 6. 23 upon 2 raised to 3. 5 raised to 2 means 5 square. Here directly is given denominator is 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 2. So here denominator is in form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m, n equal to 3, 5 raised to 2. Therefore, it is terminating form. Therefore, it can express in decimal form. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के अंदर ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में दिया ही है कि 2 रेज टू 3, 5 रेज टू m मीन्स q इक्वल टू या p अपॉन q सपोज कर दो तो q इक्वल टू 2 रेज टू 3, 5 रेज टू स्क्वायर मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर is in form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Therefore, it is terminating form. It can express in decimal form. Now we start example number 7. 129 upon 2 square into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 5. 129 upon 2 square into 5 raised to 7 into 7⁵. Denominator is not in form two raised to n 5 raised to m. Here 7⁵ is more. It is not necessary for decimal form. In short, denominator is not in form 2 raised to n 5 raised to m. Therefore, it cannot express in decimal form. It is non-terminating. Repeating. Now we start question number 8. Question number 8 is 6/15. 6/15. Firstly, we factorize 2 into 3 6, 5 into 3 15. Here 3 is cancelled. 2/5. Here denominator is in form 2 raised to n 5 raised to m equal to, we can write 2/2 raised to 0 5 raised to 1. Here n equal to 0 and m equal to 1. Therefore, it is terminating. It can express in decimal form. In short, जिसका denominator only 2 or only 5 और 2 and 5 दोनों, इसके सिवा एक भी नंबर होता, एक्स्ट्रा होता, तो इट इज़ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म.